Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gochi and this is the small channel zone. In this channel, I share tips on how you can enhance your YouTube growth, enhance your content creation, and also give you some editing tips. Okay, let's get straight into this video. CapCut has added watermark to their app, and I'm sure a lot of you know that. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the trick, a very simple trick on how you can remove CapCut's watermark and export your videos and come out with content without CapCut watermarks on it. Okay, so let's go straight into it. First, you have to click on new project to add a project. So I'm going to click on this video right here. Okay, yes, so we'll just add the video now. Click on add. Okay, now let me just say this, please, before we go ahead, right? I want to let you know that you need to make sure that you've added all your features that you want to add from this CapCut ad, all of your text, your overlay, and everything. Do everything before you go into the next step that I'm about to go to now. All right. So now, after you've done everything, all of your editing, and you're pretty sure you've done everything that you want to do, the next thing to do is for us to remove this watermark that you can see on the top left edge. Okay, you are going to come down here and click on add background. Okay, add background. Now, next thing you're going to click on is color. So let's pick any color that we want. I'll just go for white. Okay, take white and click on this tick here. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is to push this video, highlight the video, right, and then push it down. Make sure that you push it to the point that the watermark is embedded in the headroom. So we just created the headroom for this video. Now you can see that the watermark is no longer on your video, but it's on the background. Okay, so now when you're done with that, again, like I said, check for everything. Check for all of your additional features, check for all of your text and everything, that they are still in shape, in the right position, right? After that, you can now click on export. Okay, so now we're going to export this video. So now, after exporting, the next thing we're going to do is to take this project to InShot. So let's go over to InShot. So we're here at InShot. The first thing we're going to do is to click on that video icon to add a new project. Next, we're going to click on add new, that green highlighted bar. Next, we're going to select the video. Next thing, we're going to remove this watermark, the InShot watermark, but don't worry, it's easy to remove, unlike CapCut. Just click on free remove. Give it a few seconds. Okay, so we have it now. Next thing, we're going to click on canvas. Then we're going to select the aspect ratio, the one for YouTube, which is 16:9, right? Click on it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to expand the frame. Highlight the video and expand it till you don't see that headroom anymore. So yeah, this is what the video looks like now. Okay, you can see that the headroom is gone with the CapCut watermark. It's completely gone. So, but let me give a little advice, right? When filming, if you know you want to use this method to remove your CapCut watermark, make sure that your camera is filming, like below your chest level. Okay, you go get more view of capture more view, a wider view of your image, okay, of the object, so that you can have enough space even after when you come here to zoom out to expand the frame and remove the watermark. All right, so next thing we're going to do now is to export this video. Right, so we're going to do that by clicking on the save icon. So we're going to just click on the save up there, select whichever dimension that you want, and then just click on it. So we are saving the video. I'm going to show you what the output looks like. So guys, this is what the final video looks like. Don't forget that you have to add all of your features, text and everything you want on CapCut. So when you come to InShot, it's just to remove watermark, export and upload your videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.